Hey guys, TimShow89. It's been a while, but today we got a new Game Boy to unbox. This is the Lego Game Boy. It is a Lego model of the original Game Boy. And as you can tell, it says Lego there. And no light, sound, and digital play function, so it's just a model just for display. And there's 421 pieces. A little Easter egg there. The original Game Boy came out on April 21st, 1989, I believe. So there you go. That's why it's 421 pieces. Let's take a look at all the sides of the boxes here. So there's one side. So it comes with 2 cartridges, Super Mario Land and Zelda. And then the other side, just miscellaneous text. Bottom, nothing special there. And top, 1-to-1 scale of what the D-pad would look like. And then here's the back. So as you can see, it has some measurements. So it's 14 centimeters by 9 centimeters, or 5.5 by 3.5 inches. And you can even remove the cartridges. And then it comes with these little display inserts. And I believe if you move the Game Boy like this, it should change, give it a little animation. So let's open up and see what's inside. So let's there we go. There you go. And let's see. So we have one. So that's it. So that's done. Here's a manual on how to build it. So on one side is the Lego Game Boy, and the other side is the original. How cute is that? Anyway, so there's 104 pages worth of instructions here, and I'll build it and then I'll do another video showing. And then so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bags of bricks. Oh, that is so cool. So yeah, check this out. It even comes with a pre-printed the battery cover. How cool is that? So there you go, 1989 421. So release date 1989 on the 21st of April. And then, like I said, here's the how it changes. That's when you turn on the Game Boy. And then here's the scene from Link's Awakening. And then Super Mario World. And I'm not sure what this is for, so we'll find out. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks guys, see ya.